video of my YouTube channel. So, my name is Rubik's Cube Boy, and I am going to be showing you my Rubik's Cube collection today. Alright, let's head over. Alright, so this is my Rubik's Cube collection. As you can see, I don't have a lot of Rubik's Cubes, but it's enough. So I'm going to be showing you my Rubik's Cube collection from worst turning to best turning. So the first Rubik's Cube, the worst turning, is this fake Rubik's Cube I made. It doesn't turn at all. So, yeah. And then the second Rubik's Cube, so the second worst turning is also fake, but it's more like less sturdy, like not sturdy, like you know, like less like more squishy than that one that I just threw over there. Still doesn't turn at all, so threw it on the ground too. All right, and then this one this one actually does turn. It just turns so horribly. Like, look at this. Hold on. This camera does not want to stay up. There we go. So it turns so badly. Alright, so, and then this next one does turn too. Just turns a little bit better, but not that good. And yeah, and this one, I got it's like one of those pictures cubes instead of color cubes like there usually are. And you saw them like normal Rubik's Cube, but just like sometimes you have to flip around the pictures, and it's pretty hard though. And then this is the Rubik's Edge. It's actually pretty easy, but it doesn't turn that well. Still easy to solve. Here, let me get my stack timer. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I got my timer. Let's see how fast I can solve this and scramble it up. Things are actually hard to scramble. There's not as many combinations like that there are on a 3x3. So on a 3x3, there's like 43 quintillion possible scrambles, which is a lot. And, okay, let's try to, hold on. Let's try to solve this. So I'm gonna start my stack right timer. All right. Done. 20 seconds. It's not. Oh, well, it's backwards. Wait, is it backwards? For me, it looks backwards on the camera. Well, if it is backwards, it says 20.631 seconds. Alright, that's enough for this. And then my next cube is this 9x9. It's my biggest cube that I have. Doesn't turn the greatest, but there. And then the next is this 4x4 that doesn't turn out well. There's nothing really to say about this, just kind of like a normal floorboard, except for this. I'm only turning one, but it turns two. And that's really weird about this. But if I do this, if I don't hold the bottom, it does this. If I hold the bottom, I can do this. And the next thing I have is this Lego 3x3. It's not fully Lego. Only the tiles are Lego. Everything else isn't Lego. It's still mostly Lego. Just normal 3x3. But instead, the orange is black and the white is gray. So Yeah, because I didn't have white or orange Legos on it. Yeah. And then I have the 7x7. It's the second biggest cube that I have. Turns pretty nicely. And the next cube is this 2x2. It's just a Rubik's 2x2. Nothing really to say about this. And I have another Rubik's 2x2, which just is a little bit better than the other one. And then I have Rubik's 3x3. Nothing really to say about this either. And then another, no, this isn't Rubik's. Yeah, it's Rubik's. It's just a better version of Rubik's. Way better than the last one. And then a cube, which I don't know really how to solve. It's hard to turn. And then 5x5. Normal 5x5. No, I know how to solve all of my cubes except for this cube. And then 4x4. And then this totally black cube. There's nothing about it. Now, actually, if you hold your finger on one of the pieces for long enough, you can see the color. See, it's blue. Here, I'll try to make it more blue for you guys. See, it's blue, but if you see, it faded away now. Oh, yellow and red, and red too. Is this solved? Yeah, it's solved. All right, next cube. This is the second best cube that. So, 2x2. Nothing really special about this. And the fastest Rubik's Cube that I have is this GAN 3x3. I know. Not the best 3x3 ever, but it's okay. And that is my whole Rubik's Cube collection. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video, but until then, goodbye.